Tariki imwe kiambiriria-ini kia mwaka uyu niguo mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto aninire Akenya nganja na akimerira ati ngarama ya muturire ni gukorwo igicoka thi.
There will be no additional charges today or going into the future on electricity bills to the people of Kenya.
Mieri itatu thutha ucio kiraniro giki kironeka kwaga kuhinga na ithenya-ini riu Akenya ingi makoneka kuhinyiririka makiria kumana na thogora wa iguru wa indo cia mahuthiro.
The president is not living up to his word. He is really telling people this and he is doing something different. So it's like that is a formula of making people to understand him, or rather to make him survive in his political career.
Ndumiriri yegie kwambatira kwa marĩhi ma thitima kwambĩrĩria mweri turorete wa kana itumurite mawoni ngũrani kuma kuri amwe a Kenya aria maugite ni marekirira nganja ciraniro cia mutongoria wa bururi.
Ukiongeza nguvu ya umeme ni kama mtu amekusika roho na anakuambia tembea. We depend on solar on everything. For this time, Kenyans are facing hard times. They could have been, why so rush to increase the prices of electricity?
Akenya ya maugite ni hari bata mutongoria wa bururi hamwe na atongoria aria angi thirikari-ini gwetha njira itiganite cia kuguithia ngarama ya muturire.
This is the lives of the people. They said for the 3 years they were going to reduce it by 30%. Then they are going up. Then does it mean what we say we can't stand by the words we say?
Ona kuri uguo mubunge wa gicigo kia Manyata kaunti-ini ya Embu Githinji Mukunji nionekete gutetera thirikari akiuga kwambatira gwa thogora wa thitima kurahutia andu aria mahuthagira makiria ma uniti 30 inditi a Kenya othe mekuhutio ni mathogora maya meru.
We have given clear recommendations to EPRA and to Kenya Power and KenGen on ways they are supposed to reduce the bill of the common mwananchi.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.